Good morning. It is Friday, December 19th, 2025. This will be my final 5 Minute Friday for the year. Um, I wanted to talk to you about planning. A lot of people right now, as they get closer to the holiday times and the end of the year, the end of the quarter, they're in the process of thinking about what they're going to do for next year. They're putting in place their marketing plans. They're putting in place their operational plans. I think for 2026, the really important thing you have to start looking to put in place is an AI plan. And more than just I think you need AI and automation. Because AI, in and of itself, as has been proven through the MIT report that they did that said that 95% of AI initiatives had failed. That failure, in my opinion, and in the opinion of a lot of the experts, is that people didn't really plan for AI. Their AI initiative was simply, let's give everybody access to AI and be done with it. And that doesn't give you a common voice for your company. It doesn't give you the skill set that you need in order to be able to use AI properly. So, as we get ready to prepare for next year and people are going through their planning process, I have developed and come out with the automation and AI planning guide, the HR edition for 2026. Now, this is not just a quick sheet, here and there. It's a 74-page workbook. This workbook walks you through our ops mesh process that we go through when we work with our clients. It works through the ops map, which is the auditing phase, the ops build, where you actually build your automations, and then it goes into ops care at the very end, which gives you a checklist of all of the things you need to be doing on a monthly basis to make sure that your automations are working properly. As part of that process, there is the implementation of AI. And we talk about AI and how you can implement AI. But I think that, as I've mentioned before, when you're working inside of your business, the goal of using automation is for automation to replace those tasks that can be done by a computer that do not need human interaction. They don't need a human to be touching them. Right now, so many of the HR experts that I've been talking to are bogged down in spreadsheets, copy and paste of data, working inside and doing administrative tasks. I like to say that they're logging, not really leading. And that's what we need to get away from. And I think 2026 is going to be the year where people really start to embrace not only the AI side, which, it's taking over everything that we do, but like I said, when you have AI and automation together, that's when you get your superpowers. You are now able to do the work of 2 to 3 people. You are able to replicate yourself. You're able to amplify yourself. And that is what this book is going to allow you to do. You're going to be able to use the workbook to walk step by step through the things that you need to do to be able to put together a solid base plan for what you want to do next year. So if you're interested, I'm going to include the link down below. You can click on that link. You can sign up to get a free copy. I'll send you a PDF copy. I'll also send you a link to where you can actually buy it on Amazon. I believe it's $7.95 if you want the full workbook. And then you can actually contact me if you want to get bulk orders. So if you have a bunch of people in your company and you want to work on providing one of these to everybody so you can all sit and work together on it, more than happy to give you a bulk discount on the orders. So I think it's a great planning tool, right? It's a backup really to my book, The Automated Recruiter, which gives you all of the insights and all of the ways that you can actually work on deploying automation and AI. But this is actually like boots on the ground, giving you everything you need to be able to work on. You're actually planning your process using the same type of process that we work on whenever we work with our clients. So hopefully this is very beneficial to you. If you want a copy of it, go ahead and sign up. I would love to be able to work with you on that. And then inside of there is the ability to schedule time with us. If you'd like to schedule a time to review what you've gone over, we'd love to get together with you in the new year and do that as well. So hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season. I will talk to you next year.